So here we are. We're going to have Maria walk us through number 28 on the related rates homework. Go ahead.
So the question says a particle P at x and y is moving in the coordinate plane in such a way that dx dt equals -1 meters per second and dy dt equals -5 meters per second. How fast is the particle's distance from the origin changing as it passes through the point P, 0.5, 12. Okay, so first we already read the problem. We gotta do the rip this. So we read the problem. Now we have to identify our givens, and our givens is that dy dt equals -5. Yeah, right? -5. And dx, oh, that's dt equals -1 meters per second, and that's meters per second as well. Okay, so now we gotta draw our picture, and then and this is gonna be point P at the coordinates x and y. So we know this is the x and this is the y. And now we have to find a variable for the distance, so we could call that d for distance. Okay. And we know the coordinates they gave us is 5 and 12. Okay. So now we gotta find an equation. And I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem, and that's x squared plus y squared equals d squared. And now I have to take the derivative. So now is 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt equals 2d over dd dt. And now we could plug in our givens. So that's going to be 2 times 5 times -1.
And then how did you know x was 5?
Because in our givens it says that,
It's right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we plug in the -1 for the dx dt. And then our y right here is 12, so we gotta plug in 12 in y. Yeah. And then we plug in the dy dt, and that's -5 equals, because now that we know our coordinates, we know that this is going to be a special right triangle. So this is going to be 5 and this is 12, so this has to be 13. And
Maria, what if you didn't know that? How would you find it?
With the Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah. Okay, very good.
Okay. So I got 2 times 13 dd dt.
And which one are we solving for again?
dd dt.
Okay, cool.
The distance. So I get -10 minus 120 equals 26 dd dt. And now I could simplify this and get 130. Negative 130 equals 26 dd dt. And now I could divide by 26. And that's going to be dd dt equals negative 5. And that's how I got it.
Very nice, Maria. Can you put the units on that?
Yeah.
What are the units? It's the same
Meters
as
per second.
Yeah. Per second. Nice job, Maria. All right, cool.